everyone, this is me waking up after a very long night. Yeah, I found this place last night at the last minute. It was not really brilliant, but it was dryish and on the beach. So I took it. Let's go have a look, see what it looks like. Alright, I'm pretty much packed now. So I've got some surprise today. We're going to go through some milestones. We're going to do something that not many people do, and I've done only once in my life, and that was actually exactly 20 years ago. So we're leaving in about 5 minutes. I've had enough of this place. It's quite alright. It served its purpose. All my gear is now dry. It's a bit later than I expected. It's about 12 o'clock now. So I hope that we'll get to where we're going before it starts raining again. Yeah, like without further ado, let's go. Told you it'd be a surprise, eh? Oh, we're at the equator right now. right, so this was my surprise coming to the equator. We're now crossing the equator. Now I'm really hungry, so we're gonna look for a place to have some food and then carry on to somewhere north, I guess. All right, so let's ride on. Got some gas now, so let's get the first restaurant I see and stop with some food. Let's ride on. you really can't rest on your laurels, right? The road is really nice, and then bang, big hole. You gotta stay vigilant. Again, it says here bakso, ayam, lalapan, nasi kuning, nasi campur, gado-gado, satu ayam, satu tepi dada. Kenapa? Hopefully this one's got something. Let's have a look. Oh, they got a fridge, cold drinks. Okay, I'm all fed, getting a bit hot. I'm about 2 hours away from where I want to be. So, but it looks like it's a much nicer road since we got on the northern hemisphere. It looks like the roads is a lot more scenic. Maybe it's because we're closer to the ocean, I'm not sure, but it's been more enjoyable, except for the fact I couldn't find a place to eat. That was a bit aggravating. But anyways, now I'm fed, I'm happy again, so let's get back on that road, okay? Let's ride on. Just had a bit of a break, had some ice cream. Yeah, the road has become just normal, unremarkable, just a basic utilitarian road, you know, for cars and trucks to go from one place to another. Mostly built up on both sides of the road, and not much view, much to look at. But yeah, I got about an hour, less than an hour of this to do before I get to where I'm going. So let's ride on. hotel. Siapa di sini? Alright, I'm in a hotel right now and I don't feel so good. I got a really bad cold. I've been sneezing non-stop for over an hour. I'm going to try to make it to Gorontalo tomorrow, and I'll stop there for a couple of days and get some rest so that I don't push the envelope too much. Don't want to stay here, it's a bit expensive and it's not great, so it's a 6-hour drive tomorrow to Gorontalo, so that's what I'll do. But right now, listen, if you did enjoy the ride today, hey, we crossed the equator. We're now in the northern hemisphere. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. I don't feel like the roads have been amazing or been that great in Sulawesi. Sorry about that, nothing I can do about it. But tomorrow is a long drive to Gorontalo and I expect some nice roads. Please don't forget to give me a comment, and I'm all over the place, aren't I? Listen, I hope we do meet on the road, and until we do, like they say around here, sampai jumpa lagi.